The Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, this was the story today. A mixture of clouds and sun, some threatening skies this afternoon, and some showers and storms delivering some locally heavy ones. In fact, we had a tornado warning earlier in Acadia Parish, but no verification on any wind damage, but some pretty nasty looking pictures and video. You can check that out on my Facebook and Twitter feeds as well. So let's kick it upstairs, take a look at what's going on. And a lot's going on. Scattered showers and some thunderstorms, mostly storms off to the east and back to the west. Mostly rainfall, where the Storm Prediction Center and the Weather Prediction Center rather are concerned about the possibility of flooding across portions of Texas. Not concerned with that here, but we will see on and off showers ahead of the front, which is over in eastern Louisiana, and behind the front, which is what we're seeing across southwest Louisiana, although activity calming down a little bit compared to what we saw just a half hour ago. But some locally heavy showers showing up across portions of Calcasieu Parish from the south side of town, right by the National Weather Service, moving through the downtown Lake Charles area shortly. And then off to the east, we're seeing a couple of isolated heavier cells, especially over into the Atchafalaya Basin. A couple of heavy downpours, so if you're heading over toward Baton Rouge, plan on some rain, on and off rain and storms. Looks to be a little stormy over there over the next few hours. In fact, we see that on the predictive radar at least through 10 o'clock tonight. Activity close to home scattered, we'll call it that, and then more concentrated back to the west. So we're not going to dry out with this frontal boundary. In fact, rain chances look to stay after calming down a little bit overnight tonight. We got more showers and maybe some embedded thunderstorms over the southeastern part of the viewing area, while to the north and west it's going to be cloudy, cool, and feel almost like winter, very fall-like indeed at the very least. Look at the temperatures today, getting up to officially 93 in New Iberia, which tied a record, 91 in Lafayette, which was 1 degree shy of a record set back last year. And then look at the readings back to the west. So we have the wind shift line roughly in Acadiana, but the cooler air lagging behind by about 70 miles or so. And look at these readings back into Texas, 50s and 40s. Dallas at 43 at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Check out Brownsville, 91. They topped out at 92. Heat index at that time was 108. And watch that blue norther push on through South Texas with temperatures dropping. Currently Brownsville at 59 degrees. How do you dress for a day like that, where it's in the 90s and then in the 50s by the time you're getting off work? And you can see lots of 40s off to the north and west, so some cool air on the way. But the problem is this front is going to stall out, so we got it over us, and it's going to make for a difficult temperature forecast. Also a rain forecast. We'll keep rain chances overnight tonight through tomorrow, at least in the 40% range, and then cool air to the north, still mild to the south and east, and we might see readings that span the entire gamut tomorrow afternoon. I think most of us are all in the cool air as we get into Wednesday, into early Thursday, then a little bit of a warm up prior to the next front arriving, and that's probably going to be about Friday night or so. So here are the temperatures. We drop down into the 60s, Lafayette. Notice to the north and west, 50s by tomorrow morning, and then notice not much change. Northwestern sections of Acadiana will see mid to upper 50s, near 70 in Lafayette. I don't think we're going to hit 70 for a high in Lafayette. And then check out Morgan City, 82 degrees, and these are the areas that we forecast for. So it's a very difficult temperature forecast. Obviously, tomorrow night it looks like everybody begins to cool down, more so to the north and west, less so to the south and east, and generally a nice day on Wednesday in spite of the cloud cover. Temperatures upper 60s to near 70, but things drying out there. So scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder near the coast, 60% rain chances. We'll say 66 the low, and then 69 the high in Lafayette, but there's going to be lots of variance across the area. Scattered showers, breezy and cool, so finally feeling fall-like for a good part of us. And as we go through the rest of the week, we warm up a little bit toward the end of the week prior to the next front, and that next front's a dirty front as well, so lots of clouds behind it, but fall-like temperatures will follow, and then maybe a pretty hefty weather system a week from Wednesday. We'll have to wait and see on that, because the European model, which I base a lot of my forecasts for, is not that bullish on the cool front and wants to keep us in the 70s and 80s this week. But we're going cooler because that cool air is dense and it usually pushes farther south than the models indicate.
All right, we'll see what happens. Thanks, Rob. Still